Hello everyone, Happy New Year 2025. Today we will introduce you our LED totem. First, you can have a look at our product's overall visual effects first. Now let's give you an overview of these products. This is the P6 outdoor LED totem. This screen size is 960mm wide by 1728mm high, so its resolution is 160 by 288. Let's continue to introduce you the LEDs we use. These LEDs we use the Nation Star SMD 35x35. It has a high brightness, can be up to 6,000 nits. Very bright, and the surface is waterproof and dustproof, so you don't need to worry about its use under the outdoor environments. Now follow me to see how the backside looks like. Let's give you an overall visual effect first. Let me introduce you these automatic power supplies. They support the 100 to 240 voltage. Here are 8 power supplies. Then these are our LED module. Each module size is 192mm by 192mm. Then this is an important part of our solution. The control system. We use the Nova Star TB2. It supports the 4G, Wi-Fi, and USB key to control the screen to play the video and update the programs. This is the control card. It can receive the signal from the power from the control box. The last part is our cooling system. They consist of 8 big cooling fans. They are much powerful, can make sure the heat can be reduced to make sure this LED screen has a stable operation and can extend the lifetime for long-run operation. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Follow us to meet more interesting videos.